Android is easy to customize, but not just on a personal level. Phone manufacturers also tweak Android to fit their liking. While this allows consumers to pick and choose what software works for them, this does mean that there may not be one solution that works on all phones by default if something happens. For example, if you've recently deleted a video by accident, restoring it can be a little tricky. Here's what you can try. On earlier versions of Android, files are usually automatically and permanently deleted from each app unless the app itself has its own trash bin. If you've deleted a video from a specific app, browse through the app to see if it has a trash folder with your videos. If you've used Google Photos to manage your videos and photos, you can find the trash folder by tapping on Library in the bottom right, then on Trash Folder. If they're there, tap Select at the top right and tap on the videos you want to recover. Once everything you want to restore is selected, tap on Restore in the bottom. If you want to restore everything in the folder, tap on Select, then Restore All in the bottom. Confirm your decision in either case and your videos will be promptly restored. If you're on Android 11, the system has a limited trash bin folder for your default system apps that clears itself after every 30 days. If you've recently deleted a video from your Gallery or Files app, you can check the app itself for a trash folder you can restore from. How to get to it and restore from it exactly can vary from phone model to model, depending on the system apps your phone manufacturer has put in. If you can't find your videos there or can't find a trash folder at all, unfortunately, your videos might have been deleted off your device. There is a good chance that your phone has automatically backed up your videos to Google Drive via Google Photos. To check if this feature is enabled, open Google Photos and tap on your profile icon in the top right. If you've got Google's backup feature turned on, you might be able to find your video on the Google Drive you've linked the app to. If it isn't turned on, your videos may be permanently deleted and you might have to turn to a professional recovery service to try and salvage your videos from your phone. We recommend you put your phone on airplane mode and immediately stop using your phone until you do so, to prevent anything from being lost. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Android and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.